What's happening?
Hi, CJ. Hi, CJ. How are you? CJ. CJ. Hi, CJ. Gotta find CJ at home. Sitting in this kennel is not good for her. She doesn't like it.
I'm following the puppy.
Hey, CJ. Hey, babe. How are you? How are you? Reach your paw out. Can you reach your paw out? Hey. And there's your buddy. Oh, there's Sally. Hi, Sally. Sally's just a petite 6-month-old. Needs to find a home. Female. Oh, sweetheart. Oh, what are you doing? What?